Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be revamping this pitiful looking storage cube that I got as a hand-me-down from my sister. I think she got this from IKEA a long time ago and now it's mine. It's holding my hair stuff in it, like my hair products, hair tools, things like that. So I'll be turning it from this to this. If you want to learn how to do it, then keep on watching. For this project, I used hobby boards, which I had my dad cut into 4 15 by 6 inch pieces and 4 pieces of 5 by 3.5 inches. And then I used 3-inch pegs, which I cut from the same dowel rods that I used in my previous video, and spray paint, some stain, wood glue, and bam, some stain cloths. So first I wiped it down with a disinfectant wipe to make sure that there's no dust. Then I just started spray painting it. While the cube is drying, I went ahead and started staining my wood pieces. Make sure that you wear gloves before you start staining it because this is really oily and it smells really bad. So make sure you wear gloves and you do this part outside in a well-ventilated area, I should say. And the trick to this is to quickly wipe down the board or whatever it is you're staining so that the stain is even throughout the wood. I spray painted the legs off camera, but here I'm just putting felt underneath the pegs. Next, I'm just taking the 2 pieces of wood and gluing them together using wood glue. You're going to repeat this to make 3 more pairs. Now I'm just taking some wood glue again and gluing the legs on. Please do not be like me and I, where you place the legs. Use a ruler or some kind of guide so that your legs are all aligned. If they're not, you can end up with a crooked shelf. When your legs have dried, I mean the cube, not you. Anyway, when it's dry, put it upright and start gluing the wooden pieces on top. I had my sister help me out with the first part because I didn't have anything to hold it up with, so that the glue bonds with the rest of the storage. This step is optional, but I found these cute placemats at my local Dollar Tree and I'm using them as shelf liners and using an X-Acto knife to cut them to size. That's it, friends. Here is the final outcome. I love how organized it looks and it's not so much of an eyesore anymore. As always, please let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at JuDIY for more DIY ideas. See you next time.